In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch Epic Games from Steam in just a few minutes. This is a fantastic way to keep all your games in one place and enjoy the convenience of launching your favorite Epic Games directly from Steam. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Steam app. If it's not already installed on your machine, make sure to download and set it up. Once that's sorted, find the Steam icon on your desktop or in your program list and double click it. This will bring up the Steam interface where all the magic happens. With Steam open, your next move is to log in. You can find the login button on the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and it will prompt you to enter your account details. If you're already a Steam user, you'll know this process well, but for newcomers, just enter your account name and password. It's crucial to make sure your details are accurate to gain access to your account. After providing your login information, go ahead and click on the sign in button. This will bring you to your Steam homepage, a familiar site for those accustomed to the platform. Here you'll find a list of games, news, updates and more. Next up, draw your attention to the top menu bar. Click on Games, which will display a drop-down menu. In this menu, navigate to and select Add a non-Steam game to my library. This is what allows us to incorporate programs and games not natively part of the Steam ecosystem. A new window will emerge, presenting you with a list of programs currently installed on your computer. Your task now is to locate the Epic Games launcher on this list. If it's not immediately visible, try scrolling through or using the search functionality to find it. This step ensures we add the correct program to our library. Once you've found the Epic Games launcher, select it by clicking on its checkbox and then press the Add Selected Programs button at the bottom. This action effectively integrates the Epic Games launcher into your Steam library, making it accessible just like any other game you have there. With the Epic Games launcher successfully added to Steam, the real fun begins. You can now launch it directly from your Steam library, offering a seamless transition between platforms. This integration means you can manage and play your Epic Games just as you would with any titles purchased through Steam. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to launch Epic Games from Steam. Give it a try and enjoy the enhanced convenience of having everything in one place. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.